Welcome to Write Up Stories. In this story, you will learn English vocabulary related to morning routines, everyday activities, and daily habits. Additionally, you'll practice reading comprehension and grammar structures used to describe Tina's morning rituals. Our story for today is Tina's morning rituals. Tina's morning rituals begins with her waking up at 6:30 a.m. to the sound of her alarm. After a few minutes of stretching in bed, she gets up and heads to the bathroom to brush her teeth and wash her face. Next, Tina does a quick 10-minute workout consisting of yoga stretches and light cardio exercises to energize her body for the day ahead. Following her workout, Tina prepares a healthy breakfast, usually consisting of oatmeal topped with fresh fruit and a cup of green tea. While eating, she takes the time to review her schedule for the day and jot down any important tasks or appointments in her planner. After breakfast, Tina showers and gets dressed for work. She chooses a comfortable yet professional outfit and makes sure to pack her bag with all the essentials, including her laptop, notebook, and water bottle. Before leaving the house, Tina takes a few minutes to tidy up her living space, making her bed and washing any dishes left in the sink. Finally, she grabs her keys, says goodbye to her pets, and heads out the door, ready to tackle whatever the day may bring. Let her story inspire you to infuse learning into your daily routines, making every moment an opportunity for linguistic growth. Stay tuned for more tips, strategies, and stories to enhance your English skills. Keep learning, keep growing, and let your journey to fluency continue with us.